Hey, what's going on, guys? Just a quick unboxing of some headphones here that actually the packaging it's quite impressive, just to say the least. I mean, these things are marked at $15.99, um, and the features on here are quite impressive, just to say the least. I mean, it's made by this company called SW, and I actually googled them online and I couldn't find anything about these guys, but every time I walk into like a Metro PCS or a Cricket Wireless, I'm seeing this company in there. And so um, I want to unbox these headphones so I could check them out. But right here you can see it says metal earphone, fashion design, special programming line, signal transmission and stability. And you also get a volume control here with microphone, call control, play, pause, and volume control. So these things are actually quite impressive, like just looking at them. It's designed in California right here. And let's take a look at some of the specs on here. There's a sticker right over top of some of the specs. Let me try to get that off real quick. Okay, that's the best I'm gonna do right now as far as taking that sticker off. But here you can see it has the the medical silicone. The second feature is the 3.5 millimeter gold plated plug. Then you got the advanced copper pentoxide. Then you got a wire here, number 4. Number 5 is the mini control right there on the headphones for volume and everything like that. Play, pause. You got the high sensitivity. Here it says that there's a metal subline connector. Also 100% compatible with digital devices. So it says here on the parameters that the driver UNI is 9 millimeters. The impedance is actually 15% or 16 plus. Then you got sensitivity 124 plus 5 dp. Frequency response is 20 hertz, and then it goes to 20k hertz. You got the cord that's 1.2 meters and a connector of 3.5 millimeters. Headphone jack. So basically all you have to do is slide this open right here. It has this little flap, so you could actually pull these out right here. And you can see the packaging is actually really nice. That's the box right there. Let's put that off to the side, and then you can see the headphones are in here. So we'll go ahead and remove that plastic and then take these headphones out. Oh wow, so you're actually getting that fabric cord. It's like tangle free because it's like made of cloth. Here you see that it has the call button with the volume control, and then you got this button option here that goes from left to right, so you could actually slide that back and forth. So when you could pull these headphones right out of here. It's got the earbuds in there, and they're not like the most expensive headphones in the world, but I'm quite I'm really excited just to try these things out, because what it is that those Apple earbuds I've been using have been sliding out of my ears, and the quality on them is really good, but just it's annoying having to pull them, try to place them back in your ear every 5 seconds. So I'm gonna go with these, try to rock out with these and see how these go. But let's pull this out of the packaging right here. They actually put that in there real nice, so let's go ahead and be gentle right there. Try to rip that open without breaking the packaging, and put that off to the side. So wow, that cord is actually really long. extremely long cord. You're getting the metal piece right there with the earbuds. Doesn't give you any additional earbuds in there, but it's cloth, which I like right here because it's not gonna tangle as much. You got that volume control right there, and then what's kind of cool is that this is actually a gold-plated 3.5 millimeter little protector on there. Then it's got this sticker that says SW series made in China. Let's go ahead and grab any smartphone. It doesn't matter what phone I'm gonna use. Although some phones do come with that Adobe audio, but this one doesn't include that feature. That's okay. I'm just simply gonna try out the sound right here and check these out, and just put them in my ear and check out some of the sound quality that's gonna come out of here, because you know, I've had it with the Apple earbuds. They've just been sliding out of my ear. I don't know if it's me, but tell me in that comment section and down below if you have some Apple earbuds and if they actually stay in your ear, because what I notice is that those things are extremely annoying. When your ear gets a little oily, them things are like wiggling around and they don't stay in. You have to keep adjusting them and putting them back inside your ear. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this headphone jack at the top right here, the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack inside. Let's go to like Spotify right here, and let's put these let's put a song on. You won't be able to hear it, but I'll try to put these up to the microphone so you could check out some of the sound coming out of there. What was I listening to last? Let's throw on Drake. This is Drake, and then just press shuffle. I'm gonna go ahead and check out some of the quality on here real quick. So these are, let me see, which side is the left? This one, and this is the right. Alright, so they're actually in my ear now. Let me go. Okay, yeah, so I actually tested these things out, and what it is that you actually can control the volume right here with this little toggle that goes back and forth. So that's why I wasn't hearing nothing, because the toggle was all the way at the bottom. But if I press play and I just pump the volume all the way up, let's see if you could hear that. So I'm putting them up to the microphone so you could probably hear it, but the sound is actually good. It's not bad at all. It's not gonna blow your mind away. It's not gonna knock your socks off. But they got some decent bass. They got some good levels right here. So for $15.99, it's not even that bad. You get that cloth material right here with the cord. They're really long, which is always a plus when you're wearing headphones. You don't want to be limited to a short headphone right there. And yeah, so yeah, I'm digging these things so far. It's got that metal piece right here. They're also in ear, so it's noise cancellation. It seems like when I put these things on, it's really loud, and it seems to be able to cancel the noise out a little bit. Alright, so now I put it in the Cool Pad canvas, and it's actually working now too, because what it was that piece was all the way low right here. You could control the volume, so that volume was down. When you put it up, you increase the volume. I actually like that feature on there. It's this feature right here, has the microphone, all that coming with it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna rock out with these tomorrow on my commute to work, and actually, you know, test it out with a lot of sound around me in the subway. You know, it's really crazy loud when you're in the subway, so I'll be able to definitely check these out and give it a good test. There you can see right here it says headset is plugged in. Yeah, so for the SW-606 metal earphone, these things are actually pretty good, just to say the least. I'm pretty impressed right now. Comes in this nice packaging, and this packaging is nice right here. So yeah, that's about it. So that's what you're gonna expect. You're gonna expect some good quality sound coming out of there. One of the things I always recommend is to download this app right here I'm about to show you right now, called Headphone Equalizer. Basically, it gives you a whole bunch of options here. You go to Equalizer, you could customize the bass. You go to Headphone Equalizer, you can customize even more stuff right here: bass boost, virtual boost, bass, mid-range, treble. And this thing actually works. You get some increase the volume even more. And if your phone doesn't have good bass levels, definitely download this app called Headphone Equalizer. You're gonna notice a big difference in the sound quality. It's gonna be bumping after that. So if your phone doesn't have an equalizer, download this app. You'll notice the difference. These headphones are bomb so far. I'm gonna check them out in the next few days or so, and I'll stay tuned. But definitely download this app so you can take advantage of better sound quality. If you like bass, if you like your music to bump, if you like that thump and tremble when you're listening to your music, you want to download that app. But it actually fits in both phones right here with the 3.5mm headphone jack. These things are actually pretty good right here. You see, get the long cord, the golden tip right there for the 3.5mm headphone jack. You get the in-ear feature. You get the metal on the top of it. It also has that medical silicone, and they're compatible with pretty much any device, and you're getting the volume control. So I'm actually pretty impressed with these. Definitely gonna try them out instead of my iPhone earbuds, iPhone headphones. I'll show you them right now. So although the sound quality in these Apple headphones is absolutely incredible, they don't stay in your ear if your life depended on it. I don't know if it's just me or anything like that, but I'm gonna try these ones out just because it's so annoying to keep putting this in and out of my ear just to get the desired sound I want. They get real greasy real quick, so they tend to slide out while you're listening to music, and that is extremely annoying. But I hope you guys found this video helpful with the SW-606 metal earphone. Go into your Metro PCS or Cricket Wireless store, even T-Mobile, AT&T, and look for these. $15.99. I actually got them free of charge with my Stylo 3 Plus. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful in any way possible to you. And if you did, go ahead and click that like button right down below. It's your boy Serrano. Stay tuned for more videos just like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.